My Yuri here. Hello, Koshia Tumpus. How are you? I give you the money now. I've been waiting for you all this while. What are you waiting for? Eh? I'm waiting for you. Why intend them no ambra? Yeah. She has seen fear no me come ho. Answer my father. I see why see. Okay. Sana odoko. Sana odoko. She has seen fear no see me come ho. Answer my father. She has seen. I know ready afi. Over. Acaba nova. And now, my man is saying, I want 50 and now. When she get the 50 house. Today be today. So are you one bride?
No say.
Come over.
Oh, thank you. Come in, baby.
Come over. Okay. Yeah.
Then boo today all the rounds is yours. Yeah. Anyway.
How is that?
Oh, let me just wash down my bed.
You're going to wash down?
I'm sweating, so I just came in and I changed.
I'll make ready.
So let me just wash down. Come on.
Okay, go and come.
Thank you, boo boo.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I love you like something.
Today, I'm giving you all the styles you've been yearning for.
Yeah.
What do you want?
You give me
doggy.
Doggy style.
Bible.
No, if you give me doggy style, yeah, I'll release fast.
You release fast. So which of the styles do you want?
Give me Boma same deal.
Boma same deal. So you let me freshen up. And smell so
baby,
good.
This is not fresh enough. We are already fresh. Here fresh, yeah.
Come on.
That's why you are here.
Oh, so I can't be with you on the bed like sweat like this. Okay. Come on.
Yeah, I mean I want to enjoy it.
I'll send it back. Sorry.
Don't worry.
Sorry, dear.
Go and come.
Let me freshen up, okay?
Freshen up.
Thank you.
Come.
You see I'm sweating.
I feel very comfortable.
Thank you.
Hey. I'm be. Agba. Me sigara ji for flying ba. One name. Hi. Oh, here go. I hope I chill is a blog. Didn't you ask blog? Hello, baby.
I'm coming, darling.
You didn't ask blog.
Okay. I'm done freshen up. I didn't even see your first towel.
Oh, don't worry.
I have to use this.
Come on. Okay.
Yeah. Now I feel refreshed.
Yeah, you are looking. And now Mrs. Man Jollibee.
Oh,
like it like this?
Me, I'm okay.
You have any time, I saw watch it.
I'm very fine. Okay.
Yeah, sit down.
Thank you.
Make it man. Hey.
I think that will be my phone, right?
Yeah, don't worry.
Actually, let me see
who is calling. We have started, baby.
Oh, please, darling, let me just check who is calling my phone. Sorry. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, Tupus. Yeah, it's me. What? Jesus! Cecilia! Oh my God. Okay. No, why so bad, Cecilia? Thank you. Thank you. Baby, there is an emergency.
Okay, what is the problem?
There is an emergency.
What is the problem?
One of my family members, I have to go to the hospital.
Who is this? How is the person related to you?
I can't explain right now. When I go and come back.
To the situation, I can't explain. Oh. If you go, I can't explain right now.
Baby, control yourself.
How am I a pastor? How I will control myself? Eh? Baby, let's do it fast.
No. Right now, I can't do anything right now. Please, just let me go and come. Let me see if I left my...
When you are okay now, so I'm not what they say.
Let me go and come right
Baby, why are you doing that?
Cuckoo.
One
Emergency.
I know who better far 1 5.
I have to change, please. Let me go.
Baby, what are the money I give you now?
Don't worry.
Oh, Edula. Is it my baby? What bad, Missy, I guess, freshy up. My father drew and mamma be behind, and I said, was 1.5 now. He said, my father, he had an idea now. No one couple who can't for me. Almost so cry on my banner, or 1 2 or 1 young, I come on yet.